friend, it's me, Kylie. I am so glad you're here, like always. Today we're going to be practicing some of our drawing skills with one of my favorite things to draw, one of the planets. And today we're drawing our closest neighbor planet, Mars. Let's do it. Like with all the planets, we're going to start with a circle today. I'm going to add in some lines so that we can do some fun colors on the planet Mars. Now I'm going to add in a few circles and ovals to make a couple craters on this planet. And maybe another wavy line down here. We're also going to add the two moons of Mars to this drawing. The moons of Mars are Deimos and Phobos. The moons of Mars aren't perfectly round. We'll add in a few craters on Phobos and maybe one on Deimos. Awesome. Let's label these so that we can remember this planet and the names of its two moons. Let's start with Mars. Can you think of the first letter? M. M. A. R. I almost forgot to add stars. Mars reminded me because they rhyme. Mars, stars. All right, let's do that. Poof, glad we remembered that part. Stars are very important in space. All right, let's keep labeling these moons. Let's go to Deimos. D. E. I. M. O. S. And Phobos. This one's funny because that F sound is made by a PH instead of an F. PH. O. B. O. S. Phobos. Cool. Let's color. There we go. We drew the planet Mars and Mars's two moons, Phobos and Deimos. You know, I know a lot of you watching really like space and might want to be astronauts when you grow up, which means that you might go to this planet for real someday. I don't know. But if you do, let me know. If you like drawing and making things like this, subscribe to this channel, like this video. It's Kylee Makes It, Kylee. That's me. I'll see you soon.